Hello and welcome. This is Linda, and you're at Icky Chic Designs. I am really excited about this project because it's going to involve us as a community, and we get to play together. And it's not going to be hard on either one of us, and it's going to help me to stay focused and creative, and it's going to help me to broaden my perspective and to think outside the box. And you guys are going to help me do that, because in this collaborative effort, we're going to work together. Now, what I'm going to be making for the rest of the year for those who want to participate is a 4x6 fabric or fiber art card, note card. And what that means is I will have a 4x6 card that has a writable surface on one side and a fiber art piece on the other. You can keep it for yourself, or you can use it to mail it off to someone else. And how this will work is like this. In a 5x7 envelope, now I have some 5x7 craft paper envelopes here. In a 5x7 envelope, I want you to send me what can be sent with a regular postage stamp. And I believe that's up to 3 ounces, but you can check with the post office. But usually whatever will go in this little envelope is in the postage limit. But the other thing is I only need little bits of things. I don't need a big bunch of nothing, just a little bit of things. And the things that I need you to send me are, if you have a special fabric, send me a little swatch of fabric. You may have something that's nostalgic to you or has memories, or you think it's just a pretty awesome fabric, whatever. You can send that. You can send bits of lace that don't have to be huge pieces, just bits of lace. You can send decorative yarns of any kind, something that lends itself to fiber arts. Decorative trims, special button, if you have a special button that you'd like incorporated in your thing, just put it in there. Since we're putting this through the mail, it needs to be a flat button. It can be large, but not too big, but it needs to be flat, no shank buttons, okay? If you have a small motif that you like, maybe something that you bought or something you cut off of something, that's just a small motif that you'd like incorporated, send that. Any pretty fibers that you might have. Sometimes people, don't, I think of this as trim and fibers, but things that are pretty and decorative, just little bits of those. What I don't need is sequins, beads, and thread. I have plenty of those to add to this, whatever I create. And what I will do is I will take your elements and create a card and send it back to you. Now, you will need to put in all the little elements that you want me to use, and also include a second envelope that's self-addressed with a stamp so that I can mail back the card to you, okay? So you will have one envelope that you put everything in. Inside this envelope will be a self-addressed envelope to yourself with postage stamp on it so that I can use that to mail the item back to you. And then whatever you want me to incorporate in the fiber art piece that I make to put on that card for you, okay? Again, there are a list of things. There may be some other things that you think of to incorporate. If you think it's appropriate for the fiber art, but just go ahead and send it. Remember, don't send sequins, beads, or thread. I have plenty of those right now to work with. Now, what I will do is, when this comes in, I will open it on camera. I will give your first name. So make sure that you give me your first and last name. Well, it should be on the self-addressed envelope, but I will use that name on the envelope. I will not show your address, but I will give your name and show what you sent. And I will probably open up 1, 2, or 3 of these at a time. And then I will create the cards. I will make a second video and show what I created out of the elements that you brought me. And then I will mail that to you. So I think it'll be fun for you, and I think it'll be fun for me too. It will just incorporate scraps of things that you already have, and 2 postage stamps, one to go on the envelope you mail to me and one to go in the envelope that's self-addressed to mail back to you. So that's all it will take, and I will be doing this through the rest of the year. So you can send me some throughout the year. Please don't send like gobs of them or 4 or 5 at one time, because I can't handle that many. But if you want to participate, please do. I think it would be a lot of fun, and I think it would be a community thing, and we can learn from each other. I will show the process of putting some of these cards together and my thought processes, and so this will help us all into getting new ideas for what we might do. And I'm so excited about this, so I hope that you will be excited too and join in with me. Let's make a rule that you can send me 2 for the year, okay? 2 for the year. If that circumstances change that I can take more than that, then I will let you know in a later video. But right now, if I had very many people participating, 2 in a year's time is all I could handle. Since I'm leaving it wide open, I don't know how many people will participate. So anyway, let's do that. All right, 2 for the year. And let's see where it goes from there. And please let your friends know about my channel. And if I give you value for the time you spend here, please considering subscribing and sharing my videos and recommending them to your friends also. Thank you so much. And remember, let's all stay scrap happy.